Hey guys, welcome back. We got another article for you guys. It is titled GameStop is considering investing in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, sources say. Some key points on this are that it under Cohen's leadership, I guess this is the new CEO, GameStop has focused on cutting costs and streamlining operations to ensure the business is profitable, even though it is not growing. As of November 2nd, the company had amassed a $4.6 billion cash pile and has been using those funds for investments, according to a December securities filing. It also states that in December 2023, GameStop's board approved a new investment policy. It allows Cohen plus two independent board members and other necessary staff to manage GameStop's portfolio of securities investments. Those investments have to conform to the policy's guidelines or be approved by the committee by unanimous vote or the full board by majority vote. Kirby, what do you got on this?
Um, well, I'm gonna do a screen share in a minute. I'm gonna say it now, so the people onlookers can understand this. This right here just may save, and I'm not saying may. This will save GameStop as a ticker symbol. It will save GameStop as a company, and I'm gonna show you why. But give me a second while I go through my long list of diatribes. Um, GameStop, as we know it, people coming in trading video games or buying video games, that has went away like the dinosaur. Now in the gaming space, it's more of downloading games and things or what have you. So the whole trade aspect is gone. I mean, I know GameStop, the business itself, it tried to pivot left and right of what they're trying to do to stream a business, to drive revenue, to drive profitability and things like that. Is GameStop still a meme stock? Yes. GameStop has, I mean, the revenue, the profitability is little to nothing. Like you said in the article, it's the growth is stagnant and nothing's really going on. I mean, I think the only thing GameStop is really good for today, and I have a GameStop right around the corner. Well, I had a GameStop right around the corner from my house, and it was when I first moved to Florida. It was it wasn't an anchor shop, but it was in a plaza where the anchor and the business was going for strong. I don't know how long it was before I got there, but the business was there. But then, lo and behold, now we fast forward to 2024. 2024, that's what happened. The business closed down. Now it's a restaurant in that facility or that plaza where GameStop used to be.
Talking about the one next to the
Because
Starbucks?
it's, yeah, next to Starbucks. Yep.
Okay.
That one is so the GameStop is gone now. And the only thing that GameStop really has now is the hardware aspect. Hardware as in the old PlayStations, the vintage games and stuff like that. People that, collectors or what have you, that's what people still buying they still buying the hardware copies thinking that they can sell it, in the future. That's really the only aspect of it. But that don't drive day-to-day business like it used to when you can come in and trade in your old stuff and then you can make money off of it and then sell it again. But I'm gonna share with you, and then like you provided the article and then you showed it here, but I'm gonna share somewhere here once I figure out where to find this at. All right, so the key point for me is this right here. Last weekend, CEO Ryan Cohen posted a photo on social media site X with Michael Sayer, co-founder and chairman of MicroStrategies. If people don't know, MicroStrategies, it was a tech company, but then they started filling a balance sheet with Bitcoin. They are, company wise, they are the biggest holder of Bitcoin in the world. And then they raise money all the time to bring it on. Um, to bring more Bitcoin on the onto their treasury and stuff they have. Like you see here, like you see in the article where it says that GameStop is, they looking into other investments. companies investing in other companies is not something new. Only thing you got to do is look at Nvidia. They invest in a lot of the other chip companies that's out there. Only thing you gotta do is pull up the 13F from NVIDIA and it'll show you the investments that they have. But what I wanted to show you is MicroStrategies. All
Yep.
right. So you got MicroStrategies here. So this is MicroStrategies chart. 338 dollars and 55 cents in the aftermarkets. This is Friday, 2/15/2025. Let's go back 5 years. This was MicroStrategies when it was a tech company. You know, look at the share count. 228 shares, and then you know, it's it's pretty much flat from 2021 to 2024. What happened here to make this parabolic move? What happened is Bitcoin. MicroStrategies I mean, they still, and I'll read what here. MicroStrategies Incorporated, doing business as strategy, is the Bitcoin treasury company. That's what it is. It totally switched their business model and became a Bitcoin treasury company just to own Bitcoin. And then so this is the biggest proxy. I mean, you can go to the miners, you can go to the Mars, you can go to the riots and all that. But this company actually holds Bitcoin. But what happened is this move here, all this move you see from 2023 on, is MicroStrategies literally investing in Bitcoin and leveraging their balance sheets to Bitcoin. And then you look at the price of Bitcoin from October of 2023 till now, and then look at MicroStrategy's chart, and it will correlate. That's where it comes from. So from a tech company, and then look, and the only reason why I'm going, MicroStrategy's been out since 1999. That's how long it's been. Look at this, straight flat. It was a total tech company. That's all it was. Dot com bubbles tech company. That's all it was. It went all the way down to the low of what we got, $1.13 back in 2021. That's all it was. And then here it got a bump in 2021. And then they started investing in crypto right around here, October 2022. And then this is the parabolic move that it had. This if GameStop is strategic, and get Bitcoin, I'm not talking about all the other coins, all the other altcoins. I don't have time for that. But if they get strategic, this is what's going to save the ticker symbol GameStop. Yeah, they can still, sell what they sell or whatever, drum down the stores, lower their footprint, and then go to GameStop being more of a alternative investment company. Meaning, Alex, I know you're not a big video game person, but you got family members that's big video game people, and they say, "Hey, we're selling vintage this hardware that you can flip in the future for a bigger price." Then that's their way in, and then they're using all the cash from the flip to buy Bitcoin to hold up their balance sheets. That's the way to play it, just like MicroStrategy did. I think this is actually a game changer thing for GameStop, but the business itself, as we know it, as we know GameStop to be, and I can pull up GME, as we know what GameStop is to be, will be very different. But I think it will save the company all in all. And this is GameStop chart here. This is GameStop chart from 2022. Then this is the meme rally, and then here, and then here, and then whatever. And look, the share count is double what MicroStrategy is, but if they start using their money on the balance sheet to buy Bitcoin, I think that will be the game changer for the ticker symbol GME, but the business model as we know it today will not be the same.
Yeah, this is really interesting. I didn't understand it at first when I saw the article, but now I see your point. maybe not save the stores themselves, but save the ticker symbol and keep them on the stock market for investors. And I had thought about, what could GameStop do in order to save the company, but it is difficult to compete. I mean, they would have to go to some kind of digital platform to where you could download games, but that's already offered by the devices themselves, like the PlayStations and the Xboxes. You can already go on those stores on the consoles and download games. So it kind of rules that out. So this would be really interesting to see where they go, and could they maybe do like a name change like we saw with Facebook to Meta? Maybe that can happen with GameStop. It'd be Crypto Stop. No, I'm just joking. I don't know. But I mean they could go to a different company direction, something like what MicroStrategy did. It would be interesting because now then I would question, would they be in competition in a sense with MicroStrategy? Would there be a huge difference between the two companies, or would you just have like two Bitcoin treasury companies on the market for investors to decide from?
Yeah, and but the thing is not a bad, it's not a bad thing to have. I mean, of course, we got the crypto ETFs. We got multiple crypto miners on the stock market, and then they're both receiving traffic. GameStop may do it a little bit different than MicroStrategy, but the thing is they have a leg. I will say a leg up, but they'll have, it's not. They will have a little diversification to their business because they're still dealing with the gamers. Most of the crypto players, the people that's in the crypto world, especially in the mom and pop space, are the same people that's gamers. Just call it what it is. That's what most of them are. I mean, so that would be their play on it. I mean, they could get into the alternative coins, but if they go heavy in Bitcoin, to hold that as the treasury, that will drive it. MicroStrategy itself, they leverage themselves, they borrow money to buy Bitcoin or whatever. But if they just take the money from their cash flow from the businesses of their GameStop and then just start legging that on to there, I think more people, especially in the retail space, will jump on board to that. And then I think institutions will jump in also on
Yeah,
it.
for sure. Yeah, absolutely. With that said, guys, if you have any questions or comments, any opinions, let us know down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe, send us more content to our email address, and we will see you guys on the next one.